Hi everyone, Brenda here from Roaming and Recording. Thanks for visiting our channel. Today we'll show you how to make the most of 48 hours in Athens, Greece. We stayed at the Niche Hotel and highly recommend it for its excellent service, fantastic amenities, stunning views, and prime location. Everything you want to see is within walking distance. We made reservations for sunset dinner at the rooftop restaurant, and it was magical to watch the sunset over the Parthenon. The next morning we had a delicious breakfast at the hotel, which was a perfect way to start our day. Earlier, we did an in-room tour of our 2 Acropolis rooms, which I'll link to at the end of this video if you haven't seen it yet. I believe that no matter where you stay in Athens, it's worth splurging on accommodations with a rooftop restaurant or views of the Acropolis. Don't worry, there are plenty of options in every budget. One of the perks of staying at the Niche Hotel is its proximity to the hop-on, hop-off buses, conveniently located across the street. We booked our tickets through citysightseeing.com, which offers 3 lines and multiple day discounts. We took the red line and saw all the major sites. It's a great ride up atop, complete with audio commentary to provide context for what you're seeing. Want to explore more? Just hop off and catch another bus when you're ready to continue. We visited Monastiraki Square, did some shopping at the flea markets, and enjoyed a fantastic lunch. From there, we walked to the ancient Agora, the center of Athenian democracy, where citizens gather to debate and vote on important issues. Philosophers like Socrates often engaged in discussions here, making it a vital part of intellectual life in ancient Athens. Afterward, we hopped back on the bus and passed by Syntagma Square, where we witnessed the changing of the guards at the tomb of the unknown soldier, a ceremony that takes place every hour, 24 hours a day. We also stopped by the Academy of Athens, a beautiful neoclassical building, and spotted a huge nest of wild parrots there. Remember to plan your day early to make the most of it, as there is so much to see. The bus loop saved us a lot of walking in the summer heat, and we recommend buying your tickets in advance, as the bus may not accept credit cards. I'll leave the link below to the tour that we took. That evening we had dinner in the Plaka district, known as the Neighborhood of the Gods because it is at the foot of the Acropolis. It is a lovely area where as the sun sets, the streets glow with lights and candles from outdoor restaurants. You'll find fantastic shops, restaurants, and historical sites. It's super walkable and comes alive with music at night, making it a perfect place to relax after a day of exploring. On our second day, we walked about 10 minutes to take a tour of the Acropolis and the Parthenon. Here are a few tips to keep in mind for this tour. First, wear closed-toed shoes with good grip, no sandals or heels. The surfaces can be uneven and slippery. We also brought walking sticks, which really helped us on the uneven terrain. Cooling neckbands or portable fans can also help keep you comfortable in the heat. Interestingly, the Greeks haven't implemented all the ADA ramps and rails that we're used to in the modern times. We took water bottles and electrolyte powders to stay hydrated, which made a huge difference. There's a water fountain at the top of the Parthenon where you can refill your bottle, which was great. You can visit the Acropolis without a tour, but we found our guide's history, humor, and insights to be invaluable. I'll leave a link below with more information about the tour we took. Of a special note at the Acropolis is the Theater of Dionysus, dedicated to the god of wine, fertility, and theater. Dating back to the 6th century BC, it is considered the world's first theater, with tiered seating built into the southern slope of the Acropolis. The Parthenon at the top is one of the most iconic structures of ancient Greek, if not the entire world. Built in 447 BC as a temple to Athena, it has served various religious purposes, including as a Christian church during the Byzantine period and later as a mosque under Ottoman rule. Though it appears as white marble today, the Parthenon was originally painted in vibrant blues, reds, and golds. Another amazing sight is the Porch of the Caryatids on the Erectaion Temple, where 6 female figure columns support the structure. This is one of the most sacred places on the Acropolis, dedicated to both Athena and Poseidon. Be sure to visit the Acropolis Museum at the base of the hill, where the original Caryatids are on display, making for a fascinating stop after your tour. I hope you've enjoyed this overview of Athens. There's so much history, culture, and beauty to experience in just 48 hours. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. See you next time.